This meal only required 5 main ingredients. It may seem kind of gross to do this, but it's so much better to know that your shrimp are clean before you eat them. And this part took about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, give or take. I highly recommend plant-based butter, but this is the second best option that was at the store, so this will have to do. This little concoction that I'm about to do is for the shrimp. It's gonna add that perfect little lemony, parsley-ish, just delicious flavor that's gonna be on the shrimp. It won't mix too much with the meal, so it's going to have this perfect amount of flavoring. Once the meal's all put together, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, now the shrimp, they are perfectly cooked, super juicy, and 10 minutes is truly all you need, or you will overcook them.